What's happening? We're here in Luther, Iowa, a small little town, and I found a shop here. And these guys do sales, service, restoration, sell parts. And I'm here with Ron today. How's it going, Ron?
Good, good.
Hey, could you tell us a little bit about what you guys do here?
Yeah, we do sales, service, and restoration on vintage Japanese, mainly motorcycles. We do some Harleys and BSAs, Triumphs, whatnot, whatever comes around, but mainly Japanese. We really like the 70s bikes. That's kind of what we're doing now, yeah. However, we've done restorations on as late as 90s bikes, so we do a little bit of everything.
And you've been doing this since 2013 is when you opened the shop?
We opened our shop in 2013. We have just myself and a full-time mechanic, but we both love what we do.
Yeah. So cool. Yeah, I'm just browsing around, taking a look at this, and as you can see, they got everything. The cool, I mean, they've got merch here you can pick up. There's a section over in that corner where there's some magazines, a whole stack of cool old magazines to go through. Are those for sale? Is that just for your library? Is it for sale?
Yeah, we did a restoration for a customer in eastern Iowa.
Okay.
And unfortunately, he passed away. But in his barn, he had several 35-gallon barrels with garbage bags in them. And when he got done with his magazine, he would put them in there and stored them. So he'd seal them up, put them out in a shed. So when he passed away, his daughter was going to burn them all.
Oh.
And she happened to call me, and I said, "No, I'll come and get them."
Right.
But all kinds. There were 7 35-gallon barrels of magazines from the 60s, 70s, and 80s.
Oh wow, that's so cool. And you got a full service area back here where it looks like you take care of the bikes back there.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
Yep. We have 3 lifts. Usually one just basic for quick oil changes and whatnot.
Yeah.
And then 2 of them are dedicated mainly to restoration.
Awesome. Thank you so much for taking your time to talk with me about your shop. It's really cool. And I'm going to take a look around. And thanks again. I hope to stop out again soon.
Yeah, stop back.